The world of finance is changing. We are moving away from traditional banks and financial institutions. This new system is called decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is changing how we borrow, lend, and invest money. It is a powerful new technology with many advantages. This guide will explain DeFi in simple terms. It will help you understand the basics of this exciting new world. This guide is for beginners. You do not need any prior knowledge of finance or technology. We will use simple language and clear examples. Our goal is to make DeFi accessible to everyone. By the end of this guide, you will have a good understanding of what DeFi is and how it works. DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It is a new way of thinking about financial services. DeFi uses blockchain technology. This technology allows for secure and transparent transactions. DeFi is decentralized. This means that there is no central authority controlling the system. Traditional finance relies on banks and other institutions. DeFi removes these middlemen. This makes financial services more accessible and affordable. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in DeFi. DeFi is still in its early stages. However, it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. DeFi is built on blockchain technology. A blockchain is a digital ledger. It records transactions across a network of computers. This makes it very secure and difficult to tamper with. Smart contracts are a key part of DeFi. They are self-executing contracts. The terms of the agreement are written directly into code. Smart contracts automate the process of lending, borrowing, and trading. When the conditions of the contract are met, the transaction is executed automatically. This eliminates the need for intermediaries. It also reduces the risk of fraud and human error. The use of blockchain and smart contracts makes DeFi a more efficient and transparent financial system. Lending and borrowing are core functions of DeFi. You can lend your cryptocurrencies to others and earn interest. This is similar to depositing money in a savings account. Borrowers can take out loans using their crypto as collateral. This is useful for getting quick access to cash without selling your assets. DeFi lending and borrowing are powered by smart contracts. This ensures that the process is automated and secure. Interest rates are determined by supply and demand. This creates a competitive market for both lenders and borrowers. DeFi offers attractive interest rates compared to traditional banks. Section 5. Trading and swapping in DeFi. DeFi allows you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with others. This is known as decentralized exchange, or DEX. DEXs operate without intermediaries. This means, well, you have full control over your assets. You can also swap one cryptocurrency for another instantly. This is done using automated market makers, or AMMs. DEX and AMMs provide a more efficient and cost-effective way to trade cryptocurrencies. They are also more transparent than traditional exchanges. This makes DeFi trading accessible to everyone. Section 6. Yield farming and staking in DeFi. Yield farming is a way to earn rewards by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols. Liquidity is essential for DeFi platforms to function smoothly. You can earn high returns by providing liquidity to these platforms. Staking is another way to earn rewards. You can stake your cryptocurrencies to support the network. In return, you receive rewards in the form of new tokens. Yield farming and staking are innovative ways to earn passive income with your cryptocurrencies. However, they also come with risks. It is important to understand the risks before participating in these activities. Section 7. Advantages of DeFi. In this section, we will explore the numerous benefits that decentralized finance, or DeFi, brings to the table. From decentralization to transparency, and inclusivity to efficiency, DeFi is reshaping the financial landscape in unprecedented ways. DeFi offers many advantages over traditional finance. One of the most significant benefits is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional financial systems that are controlled by central authorities, DeFi operates on a decentralized network of computers, making it more resilient and less prone to single points of failure. It is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. This decentralization ensures that the system is more democratic and less susceptible to corruption or misuse of power. Users have more control over their assets and transactions, which fosters a sense of empowerment and trust. This makes it more resistant to censorship and manipulation. DeFi is also transparent. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, the blockchain, which anyone can access and audit. This level of transparency is unparalleled in traditional finance and helps build trust among users. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, which anyone can audit. This transparency ensures that all activities are open to scrutiny, reducing the risk of fraud and enhancing accountability. Users can verify transactions themselves, which adds an extra layer of security and trust. DeFi is open to anyone with an internet connection. This inclusivity is one of its most powerful features. Traditional financial systems often exclude individuals based on their geographical location, socioeconomic status, or credit history. DeFi, on the other hand, breaks down these barriers, providing financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations around the world. This makes it more inclusive than traditional finance, which often excludes people based on their location or credit score. By leveraging blockchain technology, DeFi platforms can offer financial services to anyone, anywhere, without the need for a traditional bank account. This democratization of finance has the potential to uplift millions of people out of poverty and provide them with opportunities for economic growth. DeFi is more efficient and cost-effective than traditional finance. Traditional financial systems are often bogged down by intermediaries, lengthy processes, and high fees. DeFi eliminates the need for intermediaries, streamlining processes and reducing costs. This efficiency translates to faster transaction times and lower fees for users. Transactions are faster and cheaper as there are no intermediaries. This speed and cost-effectiveness make DeFi an attractive option for users looking to transfer funds, invest, or access financial services without the traditional hurdles and expenses. DeFi is more secure due to the use of blockchain technology. The decentralized nature of blockchain makes it inherently more secure than centralized systems. Each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating a chain that is extremely difficult to alter or hack. This makes it very difficult for hackers to steal funds. The security protocols in place are robust, and the decentralized nature of the network means that there is no single point of failure. This significantly reduces the risk of large-scale cyber attacks and ensures the safety of users' assets. DeFi is still in its early stages of development. While it has already shown immense potential, there is still a lot of room for growth and innovation. Developers and entrepreneurs are continuously working on new projects and solutions to enhance the DeFi ecosystem. However, it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. As DeFi continues to evolve, it could fundamentally change how we interact with financial services, making them more accessible, transparent, and efficient for everyone. Section 8. Risks of DeFi. While DeFi offers many advantages, it's important to be aware of the risks. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a rapidly growing sector in the cryptocurrency world, promising to revolutionize traditional financial systems. However, with great potential comes significant risk. As a new technology, DeFi is still experimental. This means that many of the platforms and protocols are in their infancy and are constantly evolving. The experimental nature of DeFi can lead to unforeseen issues and vulnerabilities. There is a risk of bugs in smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. While they offer automation and efficiency, they are not immune to errors. These bugs could be exploited by hackers to steal funds. In the past, there have been several high-profile cases where vulnerabilities in smart contracts were exploited, leading to significant financial losses for users. The value of cryptocurrencies can be very volatile. Unlike traditional financial assets, cryptocurrencies can experience extreme price swings in a short period. This volatility can be driven by market speculation, regulatory news, or technological developments. This means that you could lose money if you invest in DeFi. The potential for high returns comes with the risk of significant losses, and it's crucial to be prepared for this level of uncertainty. DeFi is a complex ecosystem. It involves various interconnected protocols and platforms, each with its own set of rules and functionalities. Navigating this ecosystem requires a deep understanding of blockchain technology and financial principles. It can be difficult to understand for beginners. The learning curve for DeFi can be steep, and without proper knowledge, users can easily make mistakes that could lead to financial losses. This complexity can lead to mistakes that could cost you money. DeFi is largely unregulated. Unlike traditional financial systems that are governed by regulatory bodies, DeFi operates in a decentralized manner, often without oversight. This lack of regulation can make it difficult to seek recourse if something goes wrong. If you fall victim to a scam or lose money due to a platform failure, there may be little legal protection or avenues for recovery. Before investing in DeFi, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Take the time to educate yourself, consult with financial advisors, and only invest what you can afford to lose. The world of DeFi is exciting and full of potential, but it's essential to approach it with caution and awareness. Section 9. Getting started with DeFi. Getting started with DeFi is easier than you might think. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a new way of handling financial transactions without relying on traditional banks or financial institutions. It leverages blockchain technology to offer financial services that are open, transparent, and accessible to everyone. The first step is to choose a cryptocurrency wallet. This digital wallet will be your gateway to the world of DeFi. There are many options available, each with its own features and security measures. Take your time to research and select one that suits your needs. A wallet allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. Think of it as your personal bank account in the digital world. It's crucial to keep your wallet secure, so consider using wallets that offer two-factor authentication and other security features. Once you have a wallet, you need to acquire some cryptocurrencies. You can buy them using traditional money on various platforms. Make sure to choose a reputable exchange to avoid scams and ensure the safety of your funds. You can buy cryptocurrencies on a centralized exchange, or CX. These platforms act as intermediaries, making it easy to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some popular CX include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Next, you need to choose a DeFi platform that meets your needs. DeFi platforms offer a variety of services such as lending, borrowing, and earning interest on your crypto assets. Research different platforms to find one that aligns with your financial goals. Start with a small investment amount. This will allow you to get a feel for how the platform works without risking too much of your money. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investment. This will help you learn how DeFi works and minimize your risk. DeFi can be complex, and starting small gives you the opportunity to learn and adapt without significant financial loss. Remember to do your own research before investing in any DeFi protocol. The DeFi space is full of opportunities, but it also comes with risks. Educate yourself by reading articles, watching tutorials, and staying updated with the latest news. DeFi is a rapidly evolving space. New projects and innovations are constantly emerging, making it essential to stay informed. Follow reputable sources and join online communities to keep up with the latest trends. Stay informed about the latest developments and trends. Participating in webinars, forums, and discussion groups can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. By following these tips, you can start exploring the world of DeFi safely and confidently. With the right knowledge and approach, DeFi can offer exciting opportunities for financial growth and innovation.